So in this video, I'm going to show quickly how to rename lots of files. So these are all of the FBX exports that I got from Revit, and they've got a big long name, and it wouldn't be too terrible to go through and delete these to rename them to what I want them to be, FBX underscore ceiling, to make them a little bit more manageable. But I am going to use a program called Advanced Renamer. Advanced Renamer. You could get this, it's free. You could get some other similar program. There's lots of software that does this sort of thing to do this job quickly for you. So just grab all of these and dump them in. These are now your job. Go through here, and if this wasn't here, you just click Add Method, do Remove, and then if you expand this, so this is the existing file name, and it's giving you a preview of what the file name is going to be after you apply these rules, and you have to make sure that this button is checked. So basically this is saying starting at 1, which is the N right there, the first character, it's going to remove the first 39 characters, and that's not quite enough. Just click that until this is exactly what I want it to be. And then I just say start batch, say yes, and I go back to my FBX dump, and it's renamed them all. That's it.